channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple beauty hack that you can use to whiten your teeth very fast using Vaseline. If today is your first time stopping by, you are highly welcome. Please do hit the subscribe button that is right below this video to turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to be notified whenever I share new and helpful videos on this channel. Also, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and do share it with your friends as well so that they can come see this beautiful hack, this very good hack that I'm going to show you now. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media handles, link up here and in the description box. Also, do ensure to visit my blog daily. That's where I share all my routine home remedies, including the ones I don't share on this channel. And don't forget to check out my free ebook. Link is in the description box to download that for your use. And then let's get right into the preparation of this simple treatment, this simple hack that you can use to whiten your teeth in no time. Let's get into it. What I'm going to be using for this simple teeth whitening hack is Vaseline and baking soda. Baking soda has been used for centuries, for a very long time, to whiten the teeth. Baking soda, also known as bicarbonate of soda, is used in getting rid of plaque. It is also good on the skin as well. It is very good when you use it to whiten your teeth. You can add it with lemon to whiten teeth, but because that one is always irritates some people's gums, that is why I'm showing you how to make use of this simple hack. This one doesn't irritate your gum and it is going to help whiten your teeth. Why I'm using Vaseline for this treatment, for this simple hack, it's not a treatment. Why I'm using Vaseline for this hack is because Vaseline helps to tame down the baking soda. You are not going to feel any irritation on your gum. You're not going to feel that sting on your gum that you will get if you are making use of lemon. That is why I'm making use of Vaseline. To prepare this treatment, I'm going to get a bowl, and then I'm going to get half a tablespoon of baking soda into the bowl. Just level that up, and that is half a tablespoon. The next thing I'm going to add is the Vaseline, and I'm going to get about 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. I'm going to put that in here. So you can make use of any good petroleum jelly that you have for this hack. And then I'm going to mix these two ingredients together. So you're going to take some time to mix this up very well. Spilling. Because this is sticky, this is very sticky, like you can see, I'm going to go in with a little more baking soda because I don't want it to be sticky. So I'm going to add a little more baking soda to that, and then I'm going to go ahead and stir it. So when you've gotten the correct consistency, this is how it's going to look like. It's just going to move from one end of the bowl to the other, so it's not going to be as sticky as the first one. And then your teeth whitening hack is ready. So I want you to take note of the fact that I did not add any water to this. I did not add any lemon juice. I used only Vaseline and baking soda to achieve this. So when you are doing this, don't add any lemon to it if you don't want to feel any irritation on your gum. To make use of this treatment, you won't be needing a toothbrush. What you need is your fingertip, your middle finger. So you are going to go in and get this treatment just like this, and then you are going to apply it on your teeth. You are just going to scrub it on your teeth like this. I'm using my nail as an example. You are going to place it on your teeth like this, and then you are going to scrub it just the way I'm showing it to you now. Scrub it downward. Don't scrub it upward because of your gum. So you are going to scrub it downward like this, just the way I'm showing you now. You can leave this to stay on the teeth like this, coat it on the teeth, and then go in and get more of the treatment and apply it on the next tooth. So you are just going to scrub this like this. Scrub it first very well. Then after scrubbing it, you are going to coat the teeth like this. You can as well go in and scrub everything. You can as well go in like this because your teeth is like this. So you can as well go in and scrub everything like this, So you can go in and scrub everything like this. Ensure you don't swallow this. So don't try to swallow this at all. And I would advise you don't use this on children or babies because they may swallow it. So don't swallow it. You can scrub it this way, just the way I'm showing you now. Scrub this gently on your teeth so you won't injure your gums. And then you can repeat this treatment 3 times in a week. You can repeat it up to 4 times. If it is very friendly with your gum, you can repeat this treatment every day, and in no time you are going to be able to whiten your teeth. So I'm going to wash this off and show you what it looks like. So after washing that off, this is what my nails now look like. You can see that it is now shining. It is shining very well. So you are going to use this on your teeth. Repeat the treatment until you get your desired result. So guys, that was just a simple way to prepare the Vaseline hack to whiten your teeth. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please do share it with your friends. Do give it a huge thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit that red subscribe button that is just on your way out. Do tap on that subscribe button and do click on the notification bell so that you will always be notified whenever I share new videos on this channel. And then I'll see you in my next video. Bye.